Hi, this is Christopher LaMontagne. Welcome to my world. In this video, I will be wood turning a large architectural finial from these plans for a private contractor. I believe this is going on a building in Newport, Rhode Island. This finial will be split in half. You'll see how I do it towards the end of the video. The wood is sapelli wood, which is a very durable material for outdoor work. It'll get painted, but it'll be in two pieces, and you'll see how I split it towards the end of the video. You have to be real careful when you split these, and it's very important to use very thick paper. And you just scrape the paper off basically with a wood scraper or a plane, anything. You could even sand it off. You can see in this scene here, you can see some of the remnants of the paper still stuck to the turning. It has to be glued very carefully, equal amounts of glue both sides. The paper should be non-porous, and the thicker the better. So that's how that's done. Takes a little bit of practice. I've done quite a few of them over the years, but I didn't glue this blank up, so they did a good job at their shop. The contractor I'm doing this for, as far as the glue job, that's what concerned me the most, because all that time would be wasted if they did a lousy job gluing the paper. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Very important. It's real easy. Just click the link and subscribe for free at the end of the film. Thanks again for watching.